everyone, and a very warm welcome back to Mr. English Podcast Studio, the podcast where learning English feels easy, natural, and enjoyable. I'm Emily, and I'm really excited to be here with you today.
Hi, Emily. It's great to be back again. I always enjoy recording these episodes with you.
So, Paul, before we start, tell me honestly, how are you feeling today?
Well, Emily, I'm feeling good, but also a little bit hungry.
Hungry already? The episode has just begun.
I know, but I can't stop thinking about food. A big, juicy hamburger, crispy golden fries, and a large, cold soda. Just thinking about it makes me smile.
Wow, now you're making me hungry too. That really does sound delicious.
Sorry about that. But you know what? This hunger actually gave me a great idea for today's episode.
Oh, really? I think I already know what you're going to say.
Exactly. Let's talk about food. And more importantly, let's talk about going to a restaurant and speaking English.
That's a perfect topic. Restaurants are one of the most common places where people need English in real life.
Yes, and many English learners feel nervous when they go to a restaurant, especially in another country.
That's true, but the good news is restaurant English can be simple and fun.
Exactly. A restaurant is actually a great place to practice everyday English.
So today, we'll teach you easy and useful English conversations at a restaurant, step by step from the moment you walk in.
But before we begin, everyone listening, please remember to subscribe to our channel, Mr. English Podcast Studio.
Yes, and don't forget to like this episode and share it with your friends and family. Your support helps us a lot.
Thank you so much, everyone. All right, Emily, let's start our restaurant adventure. Okay, Emily, imagine this situation. I'm standing outside a restaurant. I'm hungry, a little nervous, and not sure what to say. I open the door and walk in. What should I do first?
Great question. First of all, relax and take a deep breath. When you walk in, you'll usually see a person near the entrance.
Okay, I see someone standing there.
That person is usually the host or the waiter. The first thing you should do is smile and greet them.
So I just say hello?
Yes, you can say hello, hi, or good evening. Simple English is always best.
That's easy. I can definitely say hello.
Exactly. After that, you need to ask for a table.
How do I say that?
You say, a table for two, please.
A table for two if it's you and me.
Yes. If you are alone, say a table for one, please. If you are with friends, just change the number.
So it's always a table for plus the number of people.
That's right. Very simple and very useful.
And then what happens?
The waiter will smile and say something like, this way, please, or follow me, please.
And I follow them to my table like a happy customer.
Now you sit down at the table. What's the next thing you need?
Food.
Almost. Before the food, you need the menu.
Right. I need the menu to choose what I want to eat.
Exactly. Sometimes the waiter will give you the menu automatically.
But if they don't,
Then you can ask politely. You say, can I have the menu, please?
can I have the menu, please? That sounds very polite.
Yes, in restaurants, words like please and thank you are very important.
Okay, now I open the menu. Wow, there are many sections.
Yes, most menus have starters, main courses, desserts, and drinks.
Starters are the small dishes you eat first, like soup or salad.
Correct. Starters are small foods you eat first, like soup or salad. I really like soup. Tomato soup is my favorite.
Me too. It's simple and delicious. After starters, you look at the main courses.
That's the big meal.
Yes, chicken, fish, pasta, rice dishes, or your favorite hamburger.
Hamburger again. I really like hamburgers.
I can tell. After the main course comes dessert.
Dessert is the sweet food at the end. Cake, ice cream, or fruit.
Exactly. Chocolate cake is my favorite dessert.
That's a great choice. And finally, there are drinks.
Water, juice, soda, tea, or coffee.
Perfect. You're learning fast.
Okay, Emily. The waiter comes back to the table. He's smiling and holding a small notebook. What does he say?
He usually asks, "Are you ready to order?"
And if I am ready, I say.
Yes, please.
And if I need more time,
I say, "Just a minute, please."
that's very helpful. But today I'm very hungry, so I'm ready.
All right, now it's time to order your food.
Should I say I want the hamburger?
You can, but a more polite way is to say, "I would like," or "I'll have."
I would like the hamburger, please.
Perfect. You can also say, "I'll have the hamburger, please."
That sounds very natural.
Let's practice with a small role play. Hello, are you ready to order?
Yes, I am. I would like the tomato soup to start, please.
Great choice. And for your main course?
I'll have the hamburger, please.
Excellent. And something to drink?
I would like a soda, please.
Perfect. One soup, one hamburger, and one soda.
Yes, that's right. Thank you.
Soon the food arrives. The waiter puts the plates on the table and says, "Enjoy your meal."
And I say thank you.
While you are eating, the waiter may come back and ask, "Is everything okay?"
And if the food is good, I say, yes, it's delicious, thank you.
Perfect. If you need something, first say, "Excuse me."
Excuse me, can I have some more water, please?
Excellent English. Very polite. All right, Paul, we've ordered our food, the meal is going well, and everyone listening is learning useful English. But our restaurant experience isn't finished.
That's right, Emily, because now comes one of my favorite parts, dessert.
I was waiting for you to say that. Yes, dessert time. So, Paul, after finishing your main course, the waiter usually comes back to the table.
Yes, and my plate is empty because the hamburger was amazing.
Exactly. The waiter might take your empty plates and then ask a very common question.
Let me guess, would you like to see the dessert menu?
Perfect. That's exactly what they say.
And my answer is very fast. Yes, please.
No thinking needed at all. So the waiter brings the dessert menu and you start looking.
I see many sweet options. Cake, ice cream, fruit, maybe pudding.
Yes, dessert menus usually have lots of sweet choices.
But for me, the choice is easy. Chocolate cake.
I knew it. So when the waiter comes back, what do you say?
I would like the chocolate cake, please.
Perfect. Very polite and very clear.
Or I can say, I'll have the chocolate cake, please.
Exactly. Both are correct and natural.
Then the waiter writes it down, smiles, and walks away.
Yes, and a few minutes later, your dessert arrives.
The best moment. The waiter says, enjoy your dessert.
And you say,
Thank you.
now you finish your dessert. You're full and happy.
Very full. Too full.
That's a good feeling after a nice meal. Now there's one last important thing to do.
Yes, it's time to pay.
So, Paul, how do you get the waiter's attention?
I look for the waiter, make eye contact, and say, excuse me.
Perfect. That's the polite way.
Then I say, can I have the bill, please?
Exactly. You can also say, "The check, please."
Bill or check, both are okay.
Yes, in the UK, people usually say bill, and in the US, people often say check. But everyone understands both words.
Good to know. So the waiter brings a small piece of paper with the total price.
That's right. Now you look at the bill and decide how to pay.
I can pay with cash or with a credit card.
Yes, if you're not sure, you can ask, "Do you take credit cards?"
That's a very useful sentence.
It is. If you're paying with a card, you give it to the waiter and say,
Here you are.
"Perfect. Very natural English."
The waiter takes the card, goes away, and comes back with the receipt.
Yes. Then you take your card, say thank you, and get ready to leave.
As you stand up to leave, it's always nice to say something polite. I smile and say thank you. Goodbye.
Exactly. This shows you enjoyed the food and the service.
Simple words, but very important.
All right, Paul. Now let's do a full role play for our listeners.
Great idea. I love role plays. They really help people remember.
Okay, I'll be the waiter and you'll be the customer.
Perfect. Let's begin.
Hello, sir. Welcome to the restaurant.
Hello. A table for one, please.
Of course. This way, please. Here is your table.
Thank you. Can I have the menu, please?
Certainly. Here you are. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I am. I would like the chicken with vegetables, please.
Excellent choice. Would you like anything to drink?
Yes, I'll have a glass of water, please.
Perfect. One chicken with vegetables and one water.
Thank you.
A few minutes later, the food arrives. Here is your chicken and your water. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you. It looks great.
After some time, the waiter comes back.
Is everything okay?
Yes, it's delicious. Thank you.
Wonderful. Let me know if you need anything.
Now, Paul finishes his meal.
Yes, I'm finished. I'm very full.
The waiter takes the empty plates. Would you like to see the dessert menu?
Yes, please.
Here you are.
I would like the chocolate cake, please.
Excellent choice. The dessert arrives. Enjoy your dessert.
Thank you. It's delicious.
After dessert, it's time to pay.
Excuse me, can I have the bill, please?
Of course, here is your bill.
Thank you. Here you are.
The waiter returns with the card. Here is your card and your receipt. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Have a great day. Wow, Paul, that was the full restaurant conversation from start to finish.
Yes, and when you hear it all together, it feels simple.
Exactly. Let's quickly review the most important phrases.
A table for one, please.
Can I have the menu, please?
Are you ready to order?
I would like, or I'll have.
Is everything okay?
Can I have the bill, please?
And of course, please and thank you.
Paul, do you have any tips for our listeners?
Yes, keep it simple. Order food you know. Don't choose long, difficult names at first.
Great advice. And don't be afraid to make mistakes.
Exactly. People are usually friendly and happy that you are trying.
A smile helps a lot, too. A smile is understood in every language.
Smile and say please. That's my strategy.
Before we finish, Paul, what's your favorite food to order at a restaurant?
Besides hamburgers, I really like pizza. Big pizza with cheese and mushrooms.
Great choice. For me, it's pasta. Simple pasta with tomato sauce.
Now I'm hungry again.
All right, everyone. That's all the time we have for today.
Thank you so much for listening to Mr. English Podcast Studio.
We hope you feel more confident going to a restaurant and speaking English.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss future episodes.
And please share this episode with anyone learning English.
For today's comment, tell us your favorite food to order at a restaurant.
We love reading your answers.
For today, keep practicing.
And keep smiling. Goodbye, everyone.
Bye for now.